Now, in difficult times like these, it can feel like your whole world is falling apart, or you can feel hopeless. But there are two things that you want to consider. Number one, it will pass because nothing lasts forever. And number two is that this is also your path to spiritual transformation. Now, the second part is the key, because if you see turbulence as an opportunity for incredible growth, then you are about to experience some amazing things. And in one moment, you'll find out why. My name's Natalie Ledwell, and the thing is, most people, when they experience negative feelings like pain or uncertainty or stress or chaos, they want to avoid it as much as possible. And even though this is neutral, it is also a rejection of your experience right now, and it's a huge missed opportunity. So let's dive in and find out more about this. Now, in Zen, there is a saying, and it says, "Let everybody be your teacher." Now, it sounds a little bit trite, but if you practice this, it is really quite profound. So imagine if every single person that you met were your teacher, and you could see each of them as an opportunity to practice, each as an opportunity to connect to your open hearts, and each as a way to see your interconnectedness. Now, each person becomes an opportunity to practice compassion and presence and consciousness. So imagine if everything around you were teaching you about the preciousness and the overwhelming beauty of life. And imagine if every painful time or this challenging time that we're living in right now was your teacher, showing you how to stay present in the midst of fear and pain, and how to open your heart to the experience, and how to be fearless in the midst of wanting to actually shut down. Now, in this way, these negative feelings become your path to transformation, if you can find the courage to touch them and to feel them fully and to be open with them and open them with love. Now, before we go deeper into this subject, I just want to let you know that if you're on this path right now, and if you feel fear or an anxiety, then just go to the description box below and download a free mini guide to overcome fear and anxiety. It's a practical guide where you'll find 10 easy exercises that can help you anytime and anywhere. So here's a practice to use negative feelings and chaos for transformation. What you want to do is notice what you're experiencing right now. Not the story about what's happening, and not the story that you have in your head, but the sensations in your body. And, just be curious about what it feels like to be alive right now, inclusive of any pain or sadness or fear or groundlessness that you have in you. And just explore and just stay with it for a moment. And allow yourself to fully feel these emotions. Touch the pain or the fear or whatever emotion that you're experiencing right now. Now that means to allow your awareness to land gently on the sensation of pain or of fear and just to feel it. I mean, it's just a feeling, right? Now open your heart to feeling it fully with its full power, letting go of fears that you can't handle. Because you know what? You can. Now, it takes 90 seconds for an emotion to pass through your body. So we don't need to fight it all the time, and you can handle it. Now, this might be allowing yourself to yell in rage, or to cry in anguish, or to run around the house in a tizzy, or to yell into a pillow, or to shake with fear. Fully feel it instead of hiding from it. And let your heart feel the pain, or the joy, or the sadness, and let yourself feel the heartbreak of it all. This is what it's like to be fully alive. And you're open to the heartbreak of the world, not afraid to feel the joy and the sadness at the same time. So let yourself fall in love with this experience. This moment filled with pain and sadness and beauty is heartbreakingly gorgeous. It is filled with life and energy and light and joyful sweetness. So fall in love with it. Open your heart to the experience, no matter how much sadness or pain in the moment that it contains. It's all worthy of your love, just as it is, without needing it to be changed. So imagine practicing this anytime you feel negative emotions rising up in you, but also embracing them by fully feeling, fully opening, fully falling in love with each moment. Now, how would it change your life? Remember, it only takes 90 seconds for this to be able to pass through your body. So rather than suppress or to push it away, allow yourself to feel it. It is just a feeling. It'll pass through. You get rid of all of that negative energy, all of that comes out, and then you're feeling better than you ever have on the other side of it. Right, now before I go, I would love to hear from you. Please comment below on any tips that can really help our community transform their negative feelings as a catalyst for growth. And don't forget to subscribe to the Mind Movies YouTube channel for more videos on personal growth and the law of attraction. Again, my name is Natalie Ledwell. Thank you for watching, and bye for now.